Hello, it's me, the man on your phone or computer, I don't judge. So, today I'm not playing Breakers, I am instead playing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre game that released while I was on my break. And I actually had my microphone on this time, so you're gonna hear my voice, and if this video performs well, you might hear more of my voice. And who knows, I might start recording variety again if this video performs well. Oh, and in case you're wondering why I haven't been changing the PNG of my character, it's because I somehow managed, don't ask how, I don't know how, I somehow managed to lose the files for each individual image, except for the mad one and the derpy one that I use in most of my thumbnails. And that's it. Those are the only two that survived. And it's really pissing me off because now the only remnants of them on the internet or on any device at all is, my thumbnails, which I barely used any of them. And this isn't some sort of April Fool's joke. I don't know how I lost them. They're just gone. But that's the end of me. I'll shut up now and let you enjoy the video. I have a bit of a confession. This isn't my first impression. I've played this game enough to be a level 4 Bubba. And that's about it. I haven't played this game a whole lot, but I've played it enough to where I know I'm not good at it. I will say that much. I am not good at this game, but I have a general gist of, how to play and everything. I have one word and one word only for this scene. Racism. So yeah, like I said, I've only played this game enough to be a level 4 Leatherface, and I believe level 6 Cook. I believe it's level 6. I could be 7. I don't actually remember. Also, there's someone over there. Hello? Is anybody here? Oh, there you are. Get back here. Come on. Get back here. Stop running. I'm just gonna cut that out of the video. Okay, oh, wait, I have to start my chainsaw. My chainsaw? Man, I swear, I have a functioning brain. English is my first language, I swear. Well, might as well destroy this while I'm here. I also don't like that I have no idea where... Oh, Grampy's awake. Well, that means that my teammates can actually help me down here. That's good. Oh, someone's right here. Wait, was that me? That was me. That was just left over from when I ran through them. Also, there's someone over there. Hello? Where are you? Hi. Oh. Hi, Leland. What's up? Wait, did I... Oh my god, I hit him. Man, you might want to get down. Thank you. This guy isn't very good. Jesus Christ, this guy... Dude, give up already. Wait. No. I think he actually DC'd. Oh, hi, sissy. Oh, right here. Don't mind if I do. Screw off, sissy. This is my kill. Come on. 2 kills this quickly. That's pretty good in my opinion. And there we go. That is now 2 people out of the game. All thanks to me, and sissy didn't contribute anything, obviously. It was all me. Oh, I can't. Oh, I can't go through that door. Fine, I'll go the long way around. Oh, hello. Oh, did Sissy actually kill them? Nice. Man, this is a really good game. Wow. We're actually on the final victim already. Where are you, Grampy? I need to give you some blood. Where? Oh, there he is. Here you go, Grampy. Eat up. This will make you nice and strong. Now, where's this last survivor at? Oh wait, I'm supposed to be making commentary. You see this graph? Subscribe. These numbers make head go burr. Where is this last person? How has nobody found them yet? We have 3 people. It's a 3v1 for the... I thought that was them. But it's a 3v1 against them, and none of us have found them. This person must be really good at hiding. Jesus. I might as well destroy this, get some points. Seriously, where the hell is this person? Are they in the house? Yeah. I'm gonna go feed Grampy. Maybe he can tell us where they are. Oh, Grampy. Eat. Or else I'll hurt you in more ways than one. Wait, was that... Wait. Was that them or was that the killer? Holy man. I should start complaining about not finding people more often. Wait. Get back here. God dang it. No! No! Oh man. Nice, they're in the basement. Oh, nice, they're incapacitated. Let's go! Let's get them!